Musa with Hackin' Racks here, and in today's video we're out here in the Appalachian Mountains. It is absolutely freezing, and this is one of the worst snowstorms here in this region in the last 10 years. So we're going to be building a survival shelter, and we're going to be camping out tonight and really just having a lot of fun and hopefully a good time. Alright, so right now we got a tarp on us, and before we try and build any sort of shelter, we need to find a flat ground. Walking through all this snow. The boots I'm wearing, they're not very high, so they're already starting to get ice and snow up by the socks. So what I've done here is I have a tarp and I tied a bunch of paracord around it, just enough paracord to be able to use where I need, and that's it. Very lightweight, probably around a pound, pound and a half, and that's about it. This is a survival shelter and a backpack if you need. All right, this is the structure. We're gonna run pegs down in here now. All right, so what I got here is cotton pads that are soaked actually in rubbing alcohol. These are really good fire starters. So we're just gonna take one of these, put it right down under all that thinner wood that we got, and this should be able to kickstart our fire off pretty well. Now, right now we're using this sleeping bag here, which is only rated for around 20 degrees. It's looking pretty good. It's spacious enough, but I couldn't close that side out. And if wind starts blowing here, we can pull a little bit of this layer mat down at the bottom up to keep it from getting, to keep the wind from coming in. But got limited space here, but it should work. This should be good for the night. This should work pretty well. We've been out here now a couple hours. It's already getting dark. We brought no food or no water, and just trying to do a survivalist trip, so. All right, guys, it's getting late. We're gonna go ahead and get our shoes off here and get in this sleeping bag. We got the fire going right outside there, so it should be able to keep us warm. Now, luckily, a lot of the heat from the fire is actually tunneling right through here and keeping my feet and around my knees really warm. So as long as I can keep that fire going, I think we'll be all right. The temperatures are down to probably 5 below zero, especially in the area I'm at right now. We're really high up in elevation, so it's much colder out here. But if I can keep that rolling all throughout the night, I think we'll be all right. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna try and catch some sleep. I'll see y'all in the morning. Good morning. It was real cold last night. Still is this morning. Fire went out. Had to wake up a couple times throughout the night, so had really rough sleep, but we made it through. I'm gonna go ahead and get a fire started again. Start getting things cleaned up here. It is freezing, so I'm ready to pull this stuff out and get on out of here. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.